Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you what is the green dot in friend's profile mean in Snapchat. So the green dot next to someone's Snapchat profile icon is an activity indicator. So it shows up exclusively on the Add Friends screen. However, it doesn't necessarily mean that a person is currently online. Instead, it indicates that they were active in the last 24 hours. So if you want to disable this activity indicator, follow these steps. First, go to your profile section and then tap on the settings at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then under privacy control, tap on activity indicator. Here, you just need to toggle off to disable this green dot. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.